Hey everyone. So today I'm going to do a 16 by 20 dirty pour, and my colors will be sort of Tuscany themed. Black, metallic gold, white, metallic copper, some brown, an olive green, and this one is called Hillside Green. It's a house paint. So I'm just going to mix up 3 cups of paint, and we're just going to do a swirl dirty pour. So I use the WD-40 silicone spray to release the paint from the cup, or you can use it for cells as well. I'm not going to rub it in today, but I am going to give it a good squirt. Try not to spray over your canvas, otherwise your paint will not stick to the canvas. Let me grab a pair of gloves. So I'm still using up paints. What I have left now are pinks and purples and reds, so we'll see if I can come up with something to use those up on today as well. Alright. So since I'm doing a dirty pour, I either want to end with black or white. White I use for a ribbon effect. Today I think I'm going to start with black. And I'm going to follow that with the Tuscany hillside color. And I think I'll put a little white on top of that. And I'm going to go ahead and get my copper in there. Might as well use it up. Okay, I'm going to follow that right with the gold. I was debating whether to use yellow or not, and I think I'm going to. And I'm layering the yellow. And now I'll hit it with the brown, and I'm going to try to layer the brown as well. It's not going to layer, it's too heavy. And we're going to follow that with the olive green. This is a Soho color. It's very pretty. And I'm going to follow that with just a tad of white. And I think I'll use up this green. And a little bit more of the gold. And I'll use up this green. And I'll finish it off with black. Okay, I'm going to give those just a quick stir. Probably come out like camouflage. Set these aside. My canvas is all prepped and ready to go. And we're just going to pour. It's pretty. WD-40 takes all the paint out. Okay. Colors are pretty. Giving it a little torch, pop some air bubbles and see if we can bring some cells up. I have quite a bit of runoff over here. I just want to pop on here. Okay, let's tilt and see what we get. So I'm just moving it all together now to fill up the gaps. And since I'm down here, I might as well do this corner. Back to the middle. Copper did show up, which is great. I don't like that white on the edge, so I'll get rid of that. Back to the middle. Gosh, that's pretty. I like it. Very manly. Make sure I got all my edges. I did. This is really cool right here. That is a messy with the black in there. Okay, I'm glad I used that much black. It's very pretty. Nothing coming up through the copper yet, but that will sink a little bit. But there's just so much going on in this painting that I don't mind if it does or not. I think I'm going to pull it just this way a little bit. Yep, that's good. Looks great. I'll give you a peek. Hate my lights. Look at all those cells. All the way over to here. So yeah, that came out beautiful. Great way to use up leftover paint. So if you're just joining me and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click the subscribe button below and click on the bell next to the subscribe button, and you'll get a notification when I upload a new video. Click like and share this video, and leave a comment. I always answer the comments, even if I just tell you thank you. And you can always join me on Facebook, Christina Welch Art. And there I post dried paintings and get into further discussions if you have a lengthy question, or if it's something I can help you with, I'd be more than happy to do that for you. But I think this is a keeper. She's pretty. And we'll see what she's like when she's dry. So everybody have a great day, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye-bye.